See this guys, by just doing small works, I can get £5 from just doing simple work, writing an article. You can see this, designing a logo. People are actually doing great job while doing it. You can see this, 542 people are already post a request, serve a request from this person. Okay, you can see this, £10 he has earned individually from 542 people. And lots of services you can offer. Do you want to know how they are earning? I just want to tell you guys, follow along this video and I'll show you step by step how you yourself can earn this much amount of money by just following some simple steps and use some simple tools which will help you to boost your income and can able to earn you good amount of money. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just selling your services over this website. You can see this guys, this is a new website guys where you are intended to just serve your works and you are getting paid for that. Okay, and you can see this guys, you are not earn in this website in dollars but in pounds. You can see this guys, £10, 542 services, more than 542 because the actual people who review are less than the people who just perform the work on this gig. Okay, you can see this, I will design a professional logos, so you can do it. Okay, simple things guys. You can see this, SEO optimization, lots and lots of work you can do here and can earn a good amount of money by just posting your links on this website. Okay, so how to do it guys, I'll show you step by step how you yourself can earn this much amount of money every single day. Guys, if you just follow along this video, I guaranteed you what type of proposals you need to send to your customers in order to engage and in order to take the work from them. Okay, so I just want to show you first. So you just click on this join button. Okay, and you are redirected to this page. So I just recommend you to sign in with this Google account. Okay, it's very easy guys, you do not have to pay any attention to it. You just need to select your mail ID and just sign in with your mail ID and just click on this submit button. Okay, username should be okay, I just need to give my username. Okay, so I just have given my username and just need to submit it. You can see this guys, welcome, and here is to sell. Okay, so guys, there is no need to do the verification part if you just sign in with Google account. Okay, it's a small thing that you need to understand. Okay, so how to sell your services and how to get paid. So first of all guys, what you need to do, you just come up here in this my profile. Okay, you just need to come up here in this my profile and you just need to edit your details first. Okay, so you just need to enter your photograph. So I just quickly upload my photograph. Okay, because guys it's very important. Okay, I just need to give my full name. Okay, and guys you need to give your PayPal email ID guys. All the payment should be get onto your PayPal email ID. Okay, it's very important guys, you need to pay attention, otherwise you will not be able to receive your payments. Okay, so you just need to give your PayPal email ID and guys you need to set up your profession. Okay, what type of service you can give. Okay, you can give a typewriter. Okay, you can be a graphic designer or whatever gig you need to give. Okay, I just need to give graphic designer. Okay, and tell us about So guys, I have created a small description for you. You can see this, I am having more than 5 years of experience in graphic designing and for creating professional logos. You can give your own description, whatever service you want to give. If you want to give an SEO service, whatever service you need to give, you can give. Okay, you can give a tag skills. Okay guys, you can give logo. Okay, I just gave graphic designing. Okay, and you can give data entry job if you can do. Okay, you can even give this kind of things. Okay, you can select your own country guys. Okay, if you want, and that's it. Okay, so all your details, you just need to click on this update changes. Okay, you just need to update your changes. So you are good to go. Okay guys, all your settings are have saved. Okay, now you just need to come up here guys on this sellers part. Okay, you just need to click on this create a service. Okay, what type of service I can create? Okay, you can see this guys, confirm the email ID. Okay, so there is a confirmation link that is sent to my mail ID. Okay, you can see this guys, there is a confirmation mail, you can see. So this is a confirmation mail that is sent to me. Okay, so this is my confirmation link, you can see. Okay, now my account is verified. So what I need to do, okay, just click on this create a service. Okay, create a service. So what type of work you can do? Okay, I will create professional logo designs. Guys, if you don't know how to create, okay, logos, okay, don't worry guys, you can see you can see this, I will create a professional logo design. Okay guys, if you don't know, I will tell you a tool which will help you to create professional logos. Don't worry. Okay, you can see this, you have 7 credits available. So guys, you can select minimal of price. Okay, I just select £5. Okay, I can give a graphic designing category and subcategory is our logo design. Okay, you can give it. So the images, what type of images you can select? So you just come up here in this canva.com. okay, where canva.com, this is a professional designing site guys, where you do not have to do any hassle for anything. You can see this, I just need to create a logo. Okay, and it's absolutely free of cost guys. There are hundreds and hundreds of templates that are available on this site, and you just need to do some modifications on this text, okay, which are freely available. You can see this guys, in terms of GIFs as well. Okay, you can see there are hundreds and hundreds of logos that you can create. Okay, if I just select one of these, okay, if I just select one of these, you can see this, I just need to download it. You can see in the form of PNG, I just need to download this logo in order to give them the what do we say that in order to give them the template, that what type of templates we can use. You can see this, I just need to create a gig for this, okay, which is untitled design 5. Okay, so this is my, okay, the image dimension should be, okay, so what I need to do here, okay guys, one thing I can do it. Okay, if you are having any problem with this size, or we can say that designing part, what you can do is to come up here in this customized design. Okay, now you can do the height and width part as well. Okay, so what is the minimal height and width? Okay, you can see this is a minimal height and width. Okay, so you just copy this 536. Okay, you just need to give 536. Okay, and what it is 374. Okay, 374. Okay, you just need to click on this create new design. Okay, and you are good to go guys. You can see this, you are good to go. Okay, so it will create a template for you. You can see this, it will create there are also logos which are available. You can see this, so I just gave some of these logos. Okay, logos, I just need to select logo. Okay, so logo template are available. You can see whatever template you should use, you can use it. Okay, if I just select this particular logo, okay guys, so this is a demo logo that I have selected. Okay, I just need to download it, and what I need to do here is to upload that logo. Okay, so just click on this plus button. Okay, and now I see that would it be accepted or not? Yes, it is accepted. Okay guys, now you can see add video URL if you are having. Don't worry, if you do not have, you can do the description part. So the description part is very important guys. You can say that I have, so you can see this guys, I have created a small description for you. I am having 100 plus templates of logos, and I have created business logos for big companies to grow their business. Okay, you can select for big companies, or you can just select companies okay, for companies to grow their business. Okay, you can select this thing. Okay, to grow their business, it will eventually create a professionalism in you. Okay, so instructor to buyer, 50% advance payment. Okay, 50% advance payment and rest 50% after the successful completion of the project. Okay, so guys, you have successfully given this thing. Okay, that I have 50% advance payment and 50% payment, rest of the 50% payment after the successful completion of the project. Okay, so I just gave tags, logos, okay, business logo, okay, company logo. I just need to select logo. Okay, company logo. You can see this corporate logo. Okay, and what it is, custom logos. Okay, so you can set the delivery date. Okay, 1 to 2 days. You can see, just click on this submit button and you can see this guy. Congratulations, you have successfully created your first £5 service. Okay, so you can see this, preview your service. So you can see this, guys, I have already created a service. You can see this. Okay, so you can create these set of services that you can offer, and you can even edit it if you want. So I just want to show you guys that how you can create your services. Okay, so this is one way to do the customization part. Okay, you can select logo templates that you can show to your clients. Okay, because while uploading the logos in the client section, okay, clients parts, you can just upload it. Okay, you can see you just need to do some modifications on these logos. Okay, you just need to add A, B, A, C, or whatever thing you can give. You can give the name. Okay, you can just select the stars. You can see this. Okay, you can even select this these logos, guys, animated logos. You can see this freely you can download. Okay, you just need to click on this download button, and in the MP4 file freely you can download it. Okay, you can see this, guys, it's amazing, guys. You can see the gaming logos that most of the people are using right now, okay, while doing the streaming part. So it's a good opportunity, guys, where you can render your services on this platform. Okay, through this platform you can render your services. Okay, so this is very easy, guys. Another way of earning is this, guys. You can see this, browse your request. Okay, browse request. So you can see this, guys. You can see £30 requests are having. Okay, so what I need to do, you can see, I need a help with my website, please. Okay, you can give your help to this website. You can see this graphic designer needed ASAP. Okay, so I just need to set up. You can see this, he want you can see this average quote is £25 and maximum budget is also £25. Okay, so you can give it in minimal price, guys. You can see you can give it in £10. Okay, delivery date single day, and I am a professional graphic designer to okay, professional graphic designer. What is the requirement, guys? You can see this, you can see the project. Okay, you can see what she wants. Okay, Photoshop. Okay, graphic designer, edit photos. Okay, having more than 5 years of experience. Okay, so you can give this description, guys. Okay, so which will eventually becomes a impressive quote. Okay, you can select more kind of description for your client. Okay, just click on the send quote and try to make it as less as you can. Okay, you can see this, guys. Okay, so I just want to recommend you to just come up here, just start earning, guys. You can see not even a single service, you can give any lots and lots of, you can see this YouTube SEO service, you can give hundreds and hundreds of service to them. Okay, so this is a great platform, guys. You can see this £3,000 he is earning, giving to, you can see this, convert 85 PSD pages to HTML, guys. You can use online converters for this, and you can generate a good amount of income from this. I hope you like this video, guys. Just need to like and share to my channel and hit the like button. If you get any informative thing, and if you want more such information through my channel, just hit the like button and share it to each and every person who wants to earn money online. Okay, so guys, there is always a motivation to give you the best content, and write down on the comment section if your doubts, whatever doubts you are having, okay, whatever doubts you are facing, just write down on the comment section so that I can help you in earn money online. Thank you so much, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Happy learning and earning.